So the storm has passed, but here's the big question on everyone's mind. Do I still get paid if I didn't go to work because of the storm? Well, let's look at what Jamaican labor laws actually say about this. Under Jamaica's Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act and the Employment, Termination, and Redundancy Payments Act, there's no automatic legal requirement for employers to pay workers if the business is closed because of a natural disaster, unless your contract, collective agreement, or a company policy specifically says otherwise. However, and this is important, many responsible employers choose to pay their staff for lost days, especially if workers were willing and able to come to work, but the business was closed for safety. If you're unsure, here's what you should do. 1. Check your employment contract or staff handbook. It may mention act of God or emergency closures. 2. Ask your HR department or your boss how pay and leave are handled after a disaster. 3. Document that you were ready to work but couldn't safely reach your workplace. If you feel you're being treated unfairly, for example, if some staff are being paid and others aren't without reason, you can always contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, for clarification or assistance. Remember, the law recognizes that safety comes first. No employer should ever pressure you to risk your life to get to work during or right after a storm. Take care of yourself, your family, and your community. Work will resume, but your well-being should always come first. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button so more Jamaicans can understand their rights after a storm. Subscribe for more updates on Jamaican labor laws, workplace rights, and fair pay. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.